In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress bar in Google Sheets. If you've been looking to add a visual element to your spreadsheets that clearly displays progress or completion percentages, then you're in the right place. A progress bar can be a visually appealing way to track and display data, such as project completion rates or task statuses, and it's easier to create than you might think. Let's start by making sure you have your percentage values ready in your Google Sheet. These percentages will represent the progress you want to display with your progress bar. Double check that your percentage values are accurate, as this will be crucial for the next steps. Once your percentages are set up, choose the sheet where you'd like to place your progress bar. It could be on the same sheet as your data or a different sheet if you want to keep things organized and separate. Once you've decided where you want to put it, click on that specific cell where your progress bar will appear. Next, type in the following function: spark line. After typing the equal sign and the word spark line, click on the cell that contains your percentage. This function is a powerful tool within Google Sheets that allows you to create compact charts, like a progress bar, directly within a single cell. It's an elegant solution for keeping your sheets clean and concise while displaying useful visual data. Now, here's where it gets a little more complex, so stay with me. After specifying your data cell, you need to define the type of chart you want. For a progress bar, indicate this by entering chart type followed by bar. This specifies that you're creating a bar-style sparkline, which is perfect for a progress bar. The next thing to do is set the maximum value for this bar to 100%. Since your progress values are percentages, they naturally max out at 100, indicating full completion. This will ensure that your progress bar accurately reflects the percentage completion by filling up appropriately in the cell. Finally, you can personalize your progress bar by setting its color. In my example, I chose green, which is often associated with positive progress and completion. You can select any color you prefer. Once you have selected your desired color, go ahead and press Enter. And there you have it, a neat and simple progress bar displayed directly in your Google Sheet cell. It updates automatically with your percentage values, making it an efficient tool for tracking progress. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate dynamic visual elements into your Google Sheets, enhancing the clarity and appeal of your data presentations.